Hey kids, let's go on a colorful dance adventure with Mr. Red, Miss Blue, and all their rainbow friends. Ready? Let's go. I am red, so bright and bold. I love apples, juicy and cold. Dancing high, I spin around. Red is the best color I found. I am blue, like the sky so wide. Splashing water, take a ride. Cool and calm, like oceans too. Let's wave and sing, me and you. I am yellow, warm like the sun, shining bright and full of fun. Buzzing bees and daffodils, let's twirl and spin on yellow hills. I am green like the leaves on trees, grass below and fluttering bees. Nature's color, calm and clean, jump with joy in fields so green. I am purple, soft and sweet, grapes and flowers you'll love to meet. With magic sparkles all around, let's bounce and float above the ground. I am orange, juicy and bright, sunsets glow with golden light. Let's all giggle, clap and cheer, the orange squad is dancing here. Colors, colors, one by one, join together, having fun. Red and blue, then yellow too, green and purple, orange, woohoo! Spin around and dance with glee, a rainbow party, 1, 2, 3. I am yellow, warm like the sun, shining bright and full of fun. Buzzing bees and daffodils, let's twirl and spin on yellow hills. I am green with the leaves on trees, grass below and fluttering bees. Nature's color, calm and clean, jump with joy in fields so green.